In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to your H&M purchase online on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is head over to the official website of H&M, which is www.hm.com. And now from here, we want to put a product into our bag. So I'm going to click on men. I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to scroll down. Let's have a look at this. All right, I'm going to check out these linen shorts. All right, I'm going to add this to my bag. So I'm extra large, click add. And now I want to go to my shopping bag now. Go to my cart. Give this a few moments to load. Once it does, we can, yep, I want to go ahead with that. And now from here, it's going to show me the price and then it will say continue to checkout. I'm going to click continue to checkout. Basically, we need to get the checkout section to add in your gift card. All right, from here, you want to put in your information and then we need to get to the shipping section. So I'm going to quickly put in my information here. Click save. Alright, so I can choose shipping, standard, and keep it like that. And it's going to view order details. And now we need to get to the gift card section, or sorry, the payment section down below. And as you can see, how would you like to pay? Under that it says add a gift card. So click on add gift card. And now this is where you want to put in your card number, your PIN code, and then click add, click save after that. Once you've clicked saved, depending how much money you got on your gift card. So if you got a gift card for $50, you would have to pay the remaining balance using your bank, so your card details, your Visa, credit card, Afterpay, etc. But if your gift card is more than the total, you're going to have credit, so you can pay the whole amount with your gift card. So say for example it's $100, I'm going to get say $31.06 remaining on that gift card to spend on a future purchase.